Hello everyone, it's Tony with Genuine Comfort. So good to be back doing videos today. I want to do it on the topic of I turned on my thermostat to cool, the furnace comes on, and the outside unit makes funny noises. What do I do? Here's what you do is you want to shut it off. You want to call a technician to make sure that it's not grinding, the fan blade's not hitting anything, or that compressor is not grinding. Once the compressor goes out, you either got to replace the compressor or the whole unit. Hopefully it's just something simple. As it sits over the winter time, it gets leaves and debris in there, and when it first turns on, it could be that maybe a stick is hitting something. I've seen that before. But the answer to that, call your technician, see if it's been maintained, see if there's not something they can do to help you. Or if you're in the Utah area, in the Centerville, Bountiful, Weber, Davis County, give Genuine Comfort a call. We'd be happy to come out and take care of you. Thanks so much. Tony here. Have a wonderful day.